Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to activate Target Red Card. Target Red Card is the card that you can use on Target. It provides various benefits. Target Red Card is now known as Circle Card as well. To activate Target Red Card, you need to open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in arcam.target.com. Then press on enter. With this, here you'll be taken to Circle Card official website. Now to activate your Target Red Card, you need to first sign in to your Target Red Card account. For this, here you can see login box on the left side. You need to first enter your username that you have got from your Target Red Card. After this, you need to enter the correct password. With this, if you want your username to be remembered, click on Save Username box. If you don't remember your username or password, click on Forgot your username or password. After entering all your sign-in credentials, click on Sign In option. With this, once you get logged in, now you'll be able to activate your Target Red Card. This is how we can activate Target Red Card. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.